Hey everybody, I'm Lex from PDQ.com. If you've ever been afraid to turn on your camera in a remote Zoom or Teams session because, working remote, you're not exactly dressed appropriately for the office, smash that subscribe button. You're definitely a sysadmin. Today, I'm going to take you guys through doing a file and directory scanner in PDQ inventory. To get to that, let's go to Options, Scan Profiles. We're going to build a new scan profile. We're going to call this, we'll call it System 32 EXEs. So we're going to look for all the executable files in System 32. I know, just something to look for, give you an example of how to do this. Now we're going to go add a scanner. We're going to select the file and directory scanner. Now you notice right up here, here's all the available wildcards that you can use. Also, you can use your Windows variables. So we're going to go to System Root. And we're going to look in System 32. And I'm going to put a splat.exe. So what that splat's going to do, it's going to, obviously this is the wildcard. We're looking for anything that ends with an exe. You'll also notice if we've got the double splat here, if I were to go subdirectories, and I want to go that directory and subdirectories, I'd go splat, splat. And so let's say I wanted to look in just the system root instead of System 32. I could put, and that would look through the entire directory as long as I put that in there, but that would take a long time, and let's just stick with our System 32. Okay. You can also look for directories or both. So once you've done that, give it a okay. Oh, by the way, you may want to limit your rows. Keep in mind at 2,500. One, you're going to get entries in your database, so we don't want to, really blow that database up really big. And then it also gives us a reference point to work from. So we'll give that an okay. There's our file and directories. We'll give it an okay. System 32 EXEs. And now I need to go run those on the machines. I'm just going to go to all computers. I'm going to right click and go Scan Collection, System 32 EXEs. And there we go. It just queued up. And now it's going to go run that scan on all my computers. Now, because we're only looking in System 32 for EXEs, this runs, there you go, pretty fast. Let me show you where you can go get that information or find it, right? So I'm going to double click on Bird Person. If you, when it opens up, you go down the left here to Files and Directories, where I just happen to be. Check it out. Here's the path for our System 32 EXEs. We've got size, we've got file type, all this information. Any comments that might be there, descriptions if they are there, and the profile it came from, so the Scan 32 EXEs. The nice thing is, now that we have this data, let's say I'm going to look for ALG-EXE, I can go do this in a dynamic collection or a report. It's this simple, new dynamic collection, ALG.exe. We're going to go and select from files and directories, any file where the name contains ALG.exe, and we should get all the machines that have got that ALG on it. Boom, there it is, all those machines. Well, that's pretty much all the machines, but let me show you real quick. We're going to do a quick report. We're going to do a new report from collection. It's going to take my filter over, which is great. Computer name, let's go look at go to file directory, we'll have the file name, and there's the filter right there. Let's also take a look at the path product and version, the size, the file size of this. So now we can run the report against, there's all the machines, or the ALG collection actually. And then here they are, look at that. The one on Crucialbot is slightly different size than the one on the other machines. So that's how you get your files, and then those are a couple of ways that you can actually use that data once you've collected it. Hey, I'm Lex from PDQ.com. Thanks for watching.